Ambassador, welcome on board. I see you. Thank you, bro, Prince Lambe. Thank you, bro, from Germany. Together we go to Boya. Boya, the final bus stop. Any marry one go hand, me go hand. La Republic, the way they go hand. Boya, the final bus stop. Yeah, thank you, fellow Ambazonians. Even the number small, but we know we do cause we share the video, people did get the video because we get plenty in them for talk and we no need for disrupt the other shows the way it come up, because the Ambazonian people get
mes chers compatriotes de mon parti unique guy.
Ambazonian people, they get plenty things for talk. Ambazonian activism, President Carr, they come after this, they get President J.K. issue, where he go get a lot to for talk as far as the revolution be concerned. Yes, fellow comrades, fellow Ambazonians, I want to salute you now wherever una dey. Say una good evening. For here we get the 4 p.m. Amber time, because we for here we get the same time with Amber, our land. We for here we get almost the same time here. We get the same time. Yes, fellow comrades, we'll go with the show proper. Why we will keep on the share, so that those one the way they work, those one the way they day for their time no meet up for the show, they will see all the people for US, but we for Europe here, I think say a part of people here they work with these people here coronavirus on catch them, like some we you know for come the show now because we think say most people now they home because of this coronavirus. Yes, fellow comrades, una watch, una see the post. I will talk, say we'll come today to evaluate the lockdown, because activists be there for this revolution where normally at first when the revolution will start, now there be the updates now there be the give updates, give people the update where they happen for ground zero. But now this activists don't take upon themselves now for abandon the people for ground zero, for fight their own way that they fight them. Now why that way some of we too, because even though we defeat the activists, because when they come now we defeat them with the information, because there may be a push for people the way in a all man they come with front. Automatically in a all man will be leader. So in a all man will come with social media in the name of activists. So we will be there for background, defeat them the information. But now where them don't take upon themselves for go astray. While people in there for social media, they need to get the information. What already happened for ground zero. The other information where people will gather now with social media now infighting. This man called you man, this man called you man, this man called you man, this man come back, this man say he be prostitute, this man say he be prostitute. So what people they need that now. Now we'll get information when they come over ground zero. How ground zero is there? What did it happen for ground zero? You follow social media, you see some footages where they don't come, picture they don't come, but you need to know what did it happen among the 13 counties. Yes, what did it happen among the 13 counties of the Federal Republic of Ambazonia? Then before you start the know what way it happened, this query for social media. So now when I say we're going to evaluate the lockdown will be announced by the interim government. Yes, fellow comrades, fellow Ambazonians, I will begin if I evaluate the lockdown and what will happen for ground zero. First of all, we give a thanks to our brave soldiers on ground zero, our brave military force we belong to the Federal Republic of Ambazonia. I want to tell our people say, when we go for bed to sleep, we pray for these guys. We pray for them. Say, me God continue to protect them. Give them the strength to defeat the enemy. Because why we are come today for Tonga, because our boys them, they do a great marvelous job. Our boys them now for ground zero, fellow Ambazonians, the revolution, we don't really win the revolution. The couple of weeks, as I talk now presently, as a couple of weeks now, before when they be announced that the election stuff carries the present date where the end today, where the election be end yesterday, that a fake election, as per today with the talk. We don't record a lot of success. We don't record a lot of success. So man will come to my profile and say, which kind of success? My own success. Now say anytime I hear say Kelebe 4, I'm buy my own wine and celebrate. I need to buy wine drink now when I hear say they don't ban some activists for Facebook or they don't ban the internet government for Facebook and drink wine. Anytime I hear say a Ekelebe fall, I hear say a Ekelebe fall, even one, I must jubilate. There I go down for my knees. I pray for God's here. May God continue to protect our boys. May God continue to guide them. May God continue for inspire them, for give them the strength, for withstand, for resist this useless La Republic military. So fellow comrades, now the package that way are Holland for tell una for unveil the package for expose una the way it happen for Ground Zero. The thing the way our boys they do am. Before one start, I will take step by step the goal so that me some man where some fake people they profile the way they come for social media can't talk say the war the fight now one side, the war the weak for this side, the war the weak for this side, the war the go for this side. I want to tell you say the war is the fight for the 13 counties. As I tell you now, that war is the fight for the 13 counties, the fight the war. As I will talk presently, because some people will talk say Ndian weak. Una be get Mundemba. Una be hear the issue will be happen for Mundemba just recently. Where it happened for Mundemba. Master for Mundemba. For Ndian. Because now the county that way, some people they will say the county weak or did this. Una hear the issue will be happen for Mundemba. Just recently again, 2 Ekelebe they fall. Una call Axam because some people they way for ambassador and Thomas. You know Thomas and some Thomas and they don't have contribute. They already hear na news. They already hear na news so that they can counteract. Una call for Lobe Estate. Una call what will happen for Lobe Estate. Una call what will happen for Lobe Estate. Our boys they do a great job and they wait till the harvest. They don't only say they don't only leave them, but they harvest. Our boys they harvest. Yes, our boys they harvest for Ndian for Lobe Estate. Mawe no he know sorry at the top of south for the southern zone. For the southern zone. And we be often happen for Monemba. We are not saying the Monemba then have Ndian. Lobe Estate then have Ndian. So people the way they think say the Ndian county it be the fall. I want to say ambassador fight for all sides. Presently now what did that happen for Ndian County? Okay. Now come for Meme. Now say footage is in the way we no fish one. Footage is in the way we no fish one. Where our brave fighter they be launched an attack. When attack them because we then wait for when they want to go to attack, they tell we say they say the one launch attack. They want to do this so that we get intelligence when they come out for La Republic. We tell the La Republic to give intelligence. Because more officially infighting for ambassador is only within us. La Republic get infighting, but I say their own infighting, not the social media. La Republic their own infighting, not the social media. They pretend like one. They pretend like one for social media, but behind the scene, they know they one. So intelligence will get our so that would advise the way to do, and they tell we where how they want to do. They advise the way to do. Then we start pray. We start praying with them. They go come back successfully, and they will do a marvelous job. They will do a marvelous job. They show me pictures them. All thing it happen fine for Meme. I told Meme people who do Meme, they will testify. From Malende, it go down. From Malende, it go down. People will testify from Malende, it go down to Kumba. And then inside Kumba again. We see inside Kumba again. It still happen because Malende to Kumba and the Fako Meme Black Tank cancel that. If you not hear the Fako Meme Black Tank Council, they talk na that road. If you hear they say from today with the Fako Meme Black Tar Council, don't talk say no say that road so from Ututu ona na from Mongo Bridge go reach right Okumba. Now they control that road. So anything way they see you see am that day you go take am. When they don't stop me no pass that road. Anything way see am along that road you go take am. So now the success that way we record them. Within the week, then we go now for the northern zone. The northern zone, when I see when I don't see videos, short video where even the useless people for election, when I see how they sleep on floor, when I see how they sleep on floor, because of it, because our boys them, we tear them, even though they be attacked bandam, Mbanda still make stubborn for come say he but Batibo Amin. Batibo and Bazunia Amin. They tell them say na they govern the land. They tell them say na they govern the land and when I see the video where they sleep for down with the election box. Una see how they sleep for down with election box. And then una ye rengengewe di hala. Una ye rengengewe di hala for background. Una ye rengengewe di hala for background. In the tell una say our boys. Then even because some people if you don't want to follow some this journalist before he get information. Even though they 100 support for Ambazunia, but he give some facts. Even try to follow he. Forget about this activism. Even try to follow that one. If you get a small little bit of facts, we follow Mimi. Because sometimes the way activism follow Ambassador, you say we Ambassador will be too emotional. We Ambassador know very well will be too emotional. When Mimi for it writes until they contrary to you say Amber fighter be kill this. You hear Amber, you hear come it see coming for a war in the green. But now so Ambassador will be. Because we need to protect ourselves, we need to protect our dignity, we need to protect our nation. But try to follow it, it gets small update them. Are you right at the way they tell you? The whole this period, this weekend, Bamenda Central be hot. Bamenda Central be hot. I even call Friday, there be the month whether or who be die. Friday, if you not get information, say Friday. It be being a ghost town, will be being a lockdown. Fridays now they be declared ghost town at them. They fight and declare ghost town because they be the months of person. But Saturday, all things go functional. Saturday, all things go functional. So Friday now they be declare. They don't declare that Friday. No be being some fake kind of for Facebook to say ghost town start on Friday. Friday it be being a day they be they still get away the months to the hero. And then Saturday, it will be a normal day, but Sunday, no man, no dog, no ant, no dirty, no be pass road. From the northern to the southern zone, no dog, no be pass road. Yes, no dog, no be pass road. When I watch the footage, the picture where Atanganji, he go vote. When I look at the back, say who be the following. When I look and say, now how many people will follow you? No man will be following, no. No man will be following because no man no come outside. No man no come outside day. A part of the Atanganji people who know away the most. We know that one. We say no man no come outside. If you see 2 people outside, 3 people outside, you get your mind you get to tell you. You don't need for Josh. So now the 2 people in that way, now the people in that way they go do that this thing. But from the northern to the southern zone. Our body they at a lot. See, the war would only win the Republic. Yes. So now the evaluation that way, I come to them and say, my tell that the state where it is now. Yeah, my tell that the state where it is now say, our boys they up to the tax. Because if they be following the query for social media, the boys they often surrender because they don't follow the query because the query they happen for social media. But groundwork they go on. The social media wahala they go on, but groundwork they go on gradually. Groundwork they go on gradually. Now why do we see we fit sustain the boys till thy kingdom come? we fit sustain these boys until their kingdom come. I say, we will not believe, I not believe for the activists way in the show fighter in face of aside. I not believe for that one. We will see the video end for me and he, and for the group where we belong. For show fighter in face of aside, because if you are listening, you are watch, you are see the zeal, the courage where these boys they get them. When I see the courage where these boys they get them, see my brothers and sisters. If I see the courage where these boys they forget, then they show me the video. I said we never show their video aside because the Republic will use and now will track them. Because we fight with now. The boys already understand how they fight a guerrilla warfare. So we never show their footage for aside. Because any man they can show the footage for aside. That boy he don't give that video for you. He love you. He give for you me see ability. So that if you be motivated for not saying you work a good job. Facebook not be place for you for can show that this name. Facebook not be place for you for can post them for the Haley. No, Haley. There is if you send a message for group, say this man a good fighter, you do this, they will come with social media for can post in face. Because you not say guerrilla warfare will not know. I mean you know who be who. If they so they show the corner so they don't know say na he. So fellow comrades, for go for social media they show fighters for Facebook. That one in as a guarantee. That one will see come that side, but we still evaluate our success on ground zero. Over the past week, carries now. Have you tell una clean and clear? No fear. So we don't record a huge success, no less than 15 ekelebe for the two sides, northern and southern zone, they fall 6 feet. That one, I need to talk and say, I doubt. Yes, I need to talk and say, I doubt because information they will still gather for some another villagism when they attack a Ekelebe for day. Information they will still gather them. But now, upon what we know them, we not follow me before, we not follow me before. It's only past days. We not follow it's only past days. We not say what I never read 7. Now, it's only past day for your own profile. But what I tell you now, we don't record a huge success. A huge success. They fall every day. But our boys, they already discover the tactics. The tactics. Now, what I tell you when I say, any activist, if you see any post, fellow comment, any man you watch me, you share me, people, you listen with me, this small portion. If you see any post on social media where it exposed fighter, even it expose itself, even though battlefront, no share them. Don't leave them, no share them, Mr. Another man see them. Because we don't lose great fighters because of this Facebook stuff. And then we a group where a fighter, he show how the day war front. I've been shocked today we see that video for social media. Yeah, a fighter in there for war front. When they for war front, they attack La Republic very serious, and La Republic they run. Then they follow the La Republic. Then they video them. Now they can't video in that way. We supposed to keep our records. We're not supposed to expose them now. When we don't get our independence, all those videos them go come. The man go see our ability. The man go see this. And then that video, it's about we. That one they motivate we. For certain they do a great job. For certain they do good job. But we can't go on social media. We can't go on social media. My brothers and sisters, when you see them, no share them. No share as in a victory. Yes, because some people they share that. I need to blame some people they bet. I want to tell any man say when fighter give you not victory, yes, but avoid social media, especially Facebook for share them. Avoid Facebook for share them because now a victory, yes. So one go tell I say the one show of La Republic how capable they be. The one show of La Republic say they do the day, but bro, in at the time this. Yes, move preserve life because the fight will the fight. who know how they fight. La Republican, they get no granite. They get no sugarcane. So if they will decide, we say that area, because when you look at post on Facebook, na challenge, they will decide other area. They will militarize that area. And when they want militarize that area, they don't find that armed fighter, they will find as civilians. Now why the way would they beg? See, fellow Ambazonians, La Republic, they know that they die. They know that they die in their numbers. But now, they hide them. Yes. La Republic, they know that they die in their numbers. But they hide them. So when we come out expose, they want to use another challenge. And for use another challenge, they will go for that locality where that thing happen. They will start killing in nonsense civilians. Those are key in nonsense civilians. So, fellow Ambazonians, I want me say, we don't talk this one some time ago. Actually, they talk in the tire because they actually now they don't want to talk with the Apple Ground Zero. They want to talk about fighting for Ambazonia. I beg you stop the issue of sharing fighters their video when they won't give you. Because some of who they inside group where now we say the first thing they say we make big video for give we will send our me will show our group for motivate people before they do that audio, that video they send them. But when they don't send, I will say me being our public consumption. I want to tell you as one thing. La Republic, when this war be start, fight the 1935. When the war be start, the rate where our boy be kill La Republic when the war be start, it reduce. The rate where time this thing be start, our boys be touch them, it reduce because waiting. La Republic and now they go get they take expertise from abroad. All the way they do that training for Manawabe, this. They not be get war tactics. Now when water, when our boy tell you say they be capable. Now for them they import experts now for teach the war tactics. Now what I see the dynamics, the game change for way to way it be there because that way the thing be start. We touch them very badly. That way can't happen now so time they touch now. When I remember say they touch me too fine. I don't think now one they be touch me too for some time, touch me. But now you don't go run back. I tell you, you don't go run back now. We now with the government the land and who go to touch them now. Wait, man tell you why they be touch me. They don't be touch me because what experience it be die. They be touch me now because when we be fight with then guns, we fight with then materialism. That time, La Republic will be not war tactics. We know our terrain. They have to know our terrain. We set the trap, they fall. When they can't give them, they can't study war tactics for join we now. That was then guns will be used them. It not be supersede their powers. It not be supersede their power. But when you don't go wrong now again, we don't get wait where they get them. Now the dynamic, the game don't change again back. I will start go back. You will start go back from the beginning. Now they will pick ball run now. Now La Republic will pick ball run. The game will pick ball now run because the game now the reverse. In the reverse now we go back how we start because wait, we get the same way to where they get them. Yes. They say Rengenge where they get them, now they say Rengenge where we get them. So, my fellow comrade, as I will not evaluate the lockdown, how it take place with a huge success. With a huge success. I say, now this coronavirus, it can't disturb the world now. The world now, if you focus, but we get to not say this time now, where the world now, they focus on coronavirus, we not relay our effort because La Republic will take this opportunity. La Republic will take the opportunity now. For say as a world don't cover, I now look only on coronavirus. Me use this opportunity for cause havoc for our territory, for cause havoc for our land. So we have to be very careful and we have to be very careful and very resistant to anything where it will come from there, because anything where La Republic, the thinker now. Move forget about that, can you the thing about we. So, fellow comrades, I want to beg my brothers and sisters, say, as of this time this virus it happened, there will be silence. La Republic will use this opportunity for say, okay, now, it goes, ambassador, they will see, wait away, they never see them. But I trust my boys, they call them, and they call them. I want to beg me people don't share that video them. That body, they don't start back. They don't start back. Our body don't start back with full force. They tell you say, now they not find them. Then the words of Ina say, when I see the young boys the way La Republic is saying, they go die. Young, all the way they die for this week so. The highest should be 25 years here. Highest. Where they die all the week so. La Republic highest should be 25 years. Highest should be 25 years. You will leave your family. Where your family not have to enjoy you. You go fight senseless war. War we need to fight for defend our nation. War we need to fight for they send you to cross boundary. You go fight for another my nation. Where you don't know the terrain. Who will give? See, I tell you something. In war, in the military, you win war. Na intelligence, you win war. I who give you intelligence? Na civilian, you give intelligence. I tell you, I know. Our boys they succeed because of our civilians. Because wait, what 90%, 99.5%, they support the struggle. Otherwise, not ever succeed for the revolution. Otherwise, not ever succeed. Who they give you intelligence? Now civilians. When military come out, Bamenda, before ever reach Bali, they already call. Person of Bamenda, it already calls the day so they come. Now 5 amoka, now 2 this they come, now this they come. Now because of it, now own way that user will support the struggle. Now own way that support. And when he talks about body, they won't be at a lot. He come up with Bamenda, he go back and drop. After he pass Bambili, person already tap them, they say, now so the day, now so the day. Our army they will fund up. They already be at a lot. They already be at a lot. They know. He come out Douala as he want reach. He want reach as he pass Boyavugo Kumba. Person will Boya already tap them. He they already come as he reach Malende come already tap. Now so he did. Now who the civilians them. So the civilians they say okay. Now they say me go fight with some different zone. And they tell the Republic they fight. They say me go fight with different zone. You want to kill me. You want to kill me, kill my family. Then I will give you intelligence. I will give you intelligence. So now whether we use it will succeed. Because our population don't win 100%. Irrespective of some cabal the way they be on money interest way the day Yaoundé. But the population of Ambazonian support the struggle 100%. And thanks to our support of the diaspora. Because the diaspora too need the rest for support these guys them. On the wise. For the game and rough game them. Even though we get so rough game them. So fellow comrades, now the evaluation that way within the week it happened for our territory. So at the time when I say we will have a huge success, we will get a huge success and we harvest. Yes, some part the harvest. But when you take that harvest, I want to beg my fighter and say, not take that harvest. Where you see some your own fellow fighter the ambush, the harvest. You to know what we're going to do them because we need to compete. We need to compete. Yeah, we don't have a competition because we find if you leave a clear down, you know if you harvest that one, you be very normal. We like them because not take harvest because you won't lose your life because you don't that come they want to harvest. So now I advise that to the fighters. Okay, now fellow comrades. We'll go now for another point for the program. Yes. Another point for the program. Oh, we talk say La Republic will not be defeated. Yes. I want to tell you I say La Republic will already be defeated. Someone ask me say my approval. When I follow newspaper. When I follow the revolution. If you want to follow revolution well, if you want to defeat your enemy well, you got to follow his activities. You see what way he do. You see the weakness. You see his strength. Then you know how he will tackle you. If you know the weakness and strength of your enemy, it don't like how in a company. When two companies they compete, the other company will look at weakness and strength of the other company before you know how to position yourself. Now so company they operate. Because if you don't know the weakness and strength for your competitors, then you know if you go into the market, you know if you compete. So automatically, we the people of Ambazonian, we go to follow the Republic keenly, very carefully for what they do. Put our ear they go down. Put our eye them. We see and we hear what they do. We see and then we know if we will be on the right track or wrong track. But I want to tell you, say, we don't really defeat them. We not follow newspaper. We not follow the Guardian Post. Guardian Post is right about it. It is right. Now, we not follow very well. Guardian Post now, it is back America. It is back America. Say me America. No give fund for me stop the diaspora them. Me they know the phone Ground Zero. Now the newspaper that it I think that today me move for post them. The newspaper where Guardian Post now the back. It is back America. Me America stop the ambassador for diaspora for the fund the revolution. It means no that cover don't dry. When I see some person where they show up for social media today, where come on la Republic, where they say na coronavirus, it kill them. When I say we dry no, so don't go take some patient where be sick in hospital. He don't die now. They say na corona first case of coronavirus because of it. They want beg money, and now, so where the thank God the coronavirus too, don't come here. Because the Republic not get no hold again money will come out. International body now they concentrate now on their corona issue. And then now the Republic not get nowhere now where they people borrow money. Their main hope China. China worry. And the coronavirus from China. So you see that why don't they come now they write for newspaper say me America stop the diaspora they mean they contribute money for Ground Zero for fund that guys them. For fund our boys them. It is showing I say they don't tire. The source of their income don't dry. And now this same America where La Republic will coach them. Say me America not interfere for the sovereignty of their nation. Now me America now interfere now for stop our diaspora people they may not contribute money for support the boys of the Ground Zero because they not say they don't even know say with diaspora the war will last for 50 years. They know that very one. They know very well. And they never resist. Because very soon they can't stop for pay civil servant for that very country. Very soon they will stop for pay civil servant. I be telling them they say they be called a debt the way they get them. La Republic debt. The way they get them with internal debt. The way they get them. So La Republic it don't fail. Now what they is that bet America now? If the bet America say me America stop the diaspora, me the diaspora don't contribute money for the struggle. I want making me they know say in all America they support this struggle. Now why that way them no ever succeed? Because in all America they support this struggle. America day, Europe day, Asia day, Africa day, even Ground Zero day. So they want stop who level who now. If America stop the diaspora, it don't stop the one over Europe. No. If they stop the one over Europe, they don't stop the one over Asia. No. If they stop the one over Asia, they don't stop Ground Zero. No. If they stop Ground Zero, they don't stop Ground One. No. So me they advise them say, me they pack their back carefully. They go them. Me they tell the world say they be think say the war when they be declare, they will use 3 weeks, 2 weeks, capture we. But now we don't prove to them say we be people of resistance. We don't prove this to them say we be people who want our freedom and will resist till the last man standing. So automatically they don't be defeated. Now that time now will come to compromise now with them. And now will be that kind of war where they be like for Mexico, or we'll go with term of agreement or trade agreement with them. Now so it will be back. If they we will keep resisting and more people die, we don't ever forgive them. But if they surrender, they go there. We not say okay, them don't surrender. But if they keep on, we and La Republic will ever can be the most worst enemy. Like how North Korea and South Korea today. North Korea and South Korea sometimes they are only better so small. But we will be the worst enemy in La Republic. The worst enemy so far with La Republic. So, fellow comrade, I want to say when I see the newspaper where they circulate, La Republic don't back. Now, in the way that for back, you don't need to say, you can social media can't tell when I say, you don't this. Now, in the way that for defeat, if you see a government, because guardian post, and government tell them guardian post what you will do. Now, government tell guardian post what you will do. You don't tell them, say, me right, for tell America, say, me America stop the diaspora of America for the fund, the ambassador of Ground Zero. Then again, this same government, it don't sue a lot of ambassador leader for America. It don't still work. Don't sue Chris Arnold, they sue Tapang, they sue this. It don't still work. Because America knows say America knows say we fight a just fight. America knows say we fight a just fight. Even Europe says they know say we fight a just fight because them two don't fight the very kind fight before the one be way to be way. Some people in Rome can enjoy. Them two don't suffer, so them two don't fight for liberate themselves, for get their own freedom. So me that the public they stop. Me they go find way. Me they start borrow money now for. In short, me start borrow money now for Equatorial Guinea them because the whole Europe, no way. America, no way. China, no way. So me they go start borrow money for Europe because we're not there for them. And we keep funding the revolution. We keep funding the revolution till we die. We will keep funding the revolution till we see the end. As far as our boys they will down, keep the resistance, and we there with our back, 100 support, no turning back, no regret. As far our boys they will down, the people will down, the day with the revolution. Me they forget. So if the ones are confused, the one who confuse themselves, say me America stop, the diaspora they waste their time. When I tell the police they waste their time. They will now bring all kinds of social media celebrating. Create kind profile, create kind this. For distract people them. But when I say ambassador, you see they focus. You see they stand still. You see they firm. No shaking. When I don't confuse. When I try that thing about Ground Zero, you know what? When I come on social media now, when I start saying the work, when I don't stand up for call America. Where America will tell when I say when I go to the root cause of the problem. When I start coach America, say America not interfere for their internal affair. They fix up that problem. Now when they back America, we never seen nothing. So now the package away a whole lot for La Republic. Then I will go now for yes. Before one go for the last the topic where is the way audio way leak where they want to destroy the interim government. Yes, audio way leak where they want to destroy the interim government. I want to use the opportunity for thank all the ambassador activists away that they make their voice to me be heard. They make their voice to me the world hear their voice. For tell the world say we are a sovereign state. We'll be a nation. We'll be one people. We'll be people who want independence. And we don't take the independence. And we tell the world say La Republic commit genocide for Southern Cameroon. I want to thank our comrades, Prince Jeka, Paul Nilong, Namcho, and Ochemba, and the host of others where they come out to for promote our cause for make the world see into our cry. I want to tell very much. Then I want to tell say Prince Jeka, so 400 reasons to go on for Prince Jeka to feed the soldiers. I want to say we support massively. We support the project massively. Now so, fellow comrade, when I talk so, now so the revolution be start from the beginning. That's what we start. Because some of we will not say we can't be on the way we talk with social media, because when Prince Jeka, Mark Barata, Tapang Ivo, they be there, the other activities now, they will promote them. They will promote them. They promote every time to come be with the level where he did. Then decide for user powers now for disturb the struggle. We will promote any man will get the vision for Ambassador. Any man will get the ability to lead. We're not going to take bias with the promotee. But if we make say you want betray the people, we step down 1 minute. So that's what Ambassador day. So we will not take bias. We will not do bias. Any man will get the ability to control, ability to lead. He get the wisdom to control. If he lead, if he talk for a year, we promote it. We not there for bias. We not there for bias for year. So I want beg when I say any man will he listening with me in the world program. When I follow Prince Jeka, when I follow his show for the contribution, then we'll see subsequently. When I go say the revolution will come back as before. Yes, the revolution will come back as before. Then people they talk about unity. We never deny unity. The interim government is a government. Interim government will deny unity. Akwanga, Morris, and the host of others. Now the unity that we want them. But why the other leaders they don't want to go unity? Now they know. They come now a group. They can't join the interim government. We never deny. No man deny unity because we all succeed through unity. But what way I believe in me and I know say will the fight go wrong so for come for one place. All the fight so will last come back for one place how the revolution will start. Yes, will the fight so all except marry the way the Republic of Bravery. But any man the fight to two fights for the revolution. I mean the quarry for the revolution. When I know say will the quarry all so go so number one cause and all we will come for one place. I need to tell we don't get independence. I did talk before independence. I did talk say before independence. We will fight all the fights so now. We will see come for one place. We will fight. When I leave me the fight, they will fight so all. They will see come for one place. We will march for one straight line boboya. We will march for one straight line boboya. I want them to say the fight where it take place on social media. Now God ordained struggle and God ordained fight because the fight it don't make we will know people. The fight don't make we will know say this man that's what he did. The fight don't expose we. The fight don't expose see. They use them. Now who define the fight? Now we define the fight. When I don't see the way they operate. They use they operate for the way if this were elderly people, if they didn't they use them. We've already reached boya sins. If these were people that do are elder than they we. Do are elder than we. We've already reached boya sins. I will see. I get people they can't comment from my profile here. They can't coach me. They can't coach me and people the way I check one them. Now fair profile them. Fair profile them. I don't check one and people the way I know them very well. And people the way when we there, they don't really talk. They know. They watch me and talk. They will see that coach me. But I know be coach you too. If sometimes get vex, why he coach me? Now because I talk about the person where he like him, yeah, he coach me. But I don't care. But me and you that see brother, we still mutual will shake hand. We still mutual will share ideas. Now always that he take a react for me. Me I don't believe that always that he take a react for me. I know coach you. Yes, you ready watch me where you coach me. I know be coach you. Now always that way because I don't talk a person way you support it. You coach me. I don't care. But I don't say me and you are still one. Me and you are still friend. Yes, I talk about picking the way. So we will grow it. So one day. So we will grow where they know our capability. They know ourselves. They know who we are. You can't coach now because social media is a platform for all for coach. Yeah, I know we coach you. Even so one day I must sumo them. So one day they all wear cap. where they graduate from University of Buea recently. As you snap a post on Facebook, you get a gun and can coach me. Yeah, because you say be this. Where before you pass, you be people be don't pass. People be there ahead of you for academic, for everything for life. Then you can't stand coach your elders. But me, I know you coach me you, be small man. I know you coach me you. Yeah, I know you coach me you. But I say, I don't know, say, they are own way that will react. Yeah, because I be big man for you. You know, because me, I coach you. Yes, you know, because me, I coach you. So, fellow comrade, and this one to still go for people the way they think, say, this program, it will be an English program. Now, no one day fool yourself. This program, not be program for social media, for diasporas, because diaspora, you know a lot of grammar. Diaspora, you don't go school, no kind of grammar. This program, a program where I want me the people them for forest, they mommy them the year, because the year, when they hear, so they know. And this program, now program where they make francophone them, they make La République. They need to understand what you are to tell. They need to understand what you are to talk, but Ambazonians, they understand very well what you are to talk. The language I use them. If I use the language, say Rengenge, you go baffle them, you go worry them. So I don't come to the program and say, and you can't talk and say, me the diaspora them. The diaspora, they help me for share to their families, for share to their friends. And when they share a program, they do for ground zero. Me the year. So the program, be a program where I can't broke grammar. I program, they do it to grammar. Grammar don't help we Ambazonian both sides now. Grammar don't take we go Buea. Grammar no what take we go Buea. Grammar no what take we go Buea. Who are the 5 or down? Now grammar the 5 or down. No be grammar the 5 or down. If you want grammar, they will write grammar of a paper, eh? Grammar of a paper. When one send application, you write grammar. So when I stop this fake profile the way, some people don't go create I want to tell you something. Some people didn't know. I be telling you other things. The people they create profile. They call Ayok, the Mba, Ngwa. This they don't come now. Another profile now they create Ayok, Ndip, Are, Bison. This. See, I want to tell you. See, any man when an activist, any man when the right posting you post, any man can comment in the name of Ayok, Are, this. Now La République, no be Eritato, no be because they take another say La République don't take the style they say Bayangi them. They against all activities because of Eritato. La République, that's what the ones I work here. Now be very careful. Very careful. No be Bayangi. No be Bayangi. Now La République, they work that. So when they put the profile Ayok, you don't go take so one picture. For Ambazonian, don't take him there. You don't take him. This is me say na marry is support Ambazonian. They belong to Eritato. Thief, lies. Now whatever you see, you go to Eritato, you profile. Now then they support Eritato 100%, 100%. Now they support Eritato. So they mean if you say now the Kabaibo manu na manu people support Eritato. When a fake profile that way, they support Eritato because of the destruction in the Kosam. Now La République support Eritato because of the destruction where in the Kosam. So fellow comrades, if you see post the way he post, man commenting Are Ngwa did this. Nothing a fake profile in that. Yes, now fake profile in that. They go support Eritato now because of his job well done, where they turning the image of Ambazonian. Now remember the other day newspaper they write against Eritato. Cameroon newspaper, he write against Eritato, say Eritato. He against Sako and the co. Just see the way people write. Newspaper never write against Eritato again, especially if they say you don't talk this. Newspaper now they be happy. Cameroon newspaper now they be happy for the destruction in the Kosam for the revolution. They be happy. Now whatever it talk say they don't see no active in name. They don't put no active in name because the active in there for track. They will put in name because it work with them. If you work with them for distraction, because if you really work with them, it statement them. It does La République, it help La République. It does them, it help La République. So, fellow comrades, I go for the audio where we listen to how they want destroy the IG. Yeah, because plenty things the way we get for the talk, me people them listening. Then before I go there, I want to thank our sister for sister what be name activist we don't go come back. You don't realize the truth they will show yesterday. I want to thank you very much for your courage. I want to thank you very much for your investigation because he say you don't go investigate Caroline. Mama, I want to thank you the activist be there yesterday, Caroline. I want to thank you very much because he say you don't go investigate. He realize say Dr. Sako you know embezzle no money. Say Dr. Sako no embezzle no money. So now why they don't come back fully for support the interim government? That's how all man will go. They will come back, can testify. You will go, come back, can testify. Yes, when God will arrest you, you will go, can testify. So I want to thank you very much because in all man you go, come back, can testify. In all man. Yes, so that's why you should say, now a person that with good faith. Now a person that with good faith because he talk say, after all investigation, he don't go investigate say, Dr. Sako no be embezzling no money. Now why that way he don't come back for the show powerfully. Then he talk again say people they call she because actively they call Jamami Pima they call immoral call them. He don't care. Say Bijeman fool. Kochi he say show him like Toto. He always say make it be public. So that's why he talk yesterday with the show. He say like the Kochi, like the do it. He don't care. Because some people now they'll take another coach. Ça coach activist, ça coach now. Ça go for internal affairs. So fellow comrade, we try to see we get that audio, I play them, we listen them, then we elaborate on it, then we end the show. We'll try to listen to the audio. Why we get Thomas try to get the audio because the audio it be very important for you for listening. Then we evaluate the audio. We see if it's correct or not. But if the audio no play, I will tell you now which way they talk for the audio. Then if we find the audio, we listen them because the audio way it give make ambassador and they mean they wake up. Me they know which way people they behind for do. Me not say why way some people they pray for the revolution. Some people they for say me the revolution now it not succeed. Let's see. Okay, the audio in no one play, so we'll not keep the people pending. Yeah, fellow comrades, I'll just tell you the audio. The audio now all the way leak. Now all the way leak. But I don't know if the audio it don't reach to Eric because in an editor it make the audio. But now audio way they make a behind. Where they tell Eric, they talk away, they want me Eric Tato. See me all they join hand together. For support Eric Tato, me destroy the interim government. And when Eric Tato finish destroy the interim government, now for they will succeed their mission. Now they will step it down. They will forget about it. Now the simple audio that way where it leak. So fellow comrades, that one caught my attention because in a couple of days, a couple of months, we don't see the reaction of our activists the way we call them say activists. Our activists the way we hail them. Our activists the way we take them like hero. Our activists the way they be stand for the revolution like our brave fighter they for done. Because fellow comrades, what way he did and say activism. This was activism. They may do a great job. We not fit deny that one. They will do a great job. Because when they fight for Ground Zero, and automatically they fight to the fight for social media. I want to say that the fight for Ambassador are two fronts. Ground Zero and social media. Ground Zero and social media. So we don't listen the audio. I don't listen to the audio. He talk how they supporting me destroy the internet government. I'm saying automatically the internet government is not begin no problem. That means that some cabal, some group of people then they don't take upon themselves say the internet government don't ever succeed. Even the internet government want to take me for Boya today, they will bring it down for all costs because of it. Their selfish interest. If you need to support the internet government, the internet government decide today say we go Boya independent this, you know go embrace them. Now why that way you see some group of people they don't take upon themselves for say if you don't work that way, it's spoil. You know work that way is spoil. See, I want to tell you something way we not favor know. This revolution, not be some my papa property, not be some my papa a country. Now 8 million people they get that nation, and no man, nowhere you want, no we decide for the fate of 8 million people. Every time you want to destroy the revolution. When they say Tay tap and again say he won, no we destroy the revolution. You don't use the platform now. Now will cost people. We now want to follow you because I don't notice that for Facebook here saying I say when you talk negative to them, you talk raw word them, you get followers plenty. Yes. If you take, don't take for example, start to use raw language, you show porno, you show this, you get followers plenty because when I know I say plenty people like bad things. They don't like good things. Plenty people like bad things, they don't like good things. That guy, if he do a very bad havoc for the revolution, but people in the way, they hail you because they say if you don't be at the truth for the revolution and they will follow you for that truth, away, you don't leave the truth now. If you follow now a lie, you don't leave the truth if you follow lie. But they see hail you and follow them. It's not okay. They coach people. Fellow comrade, I know they here for coach person. You like to coach me anyhow. I was created in the image of God. And God know why. God know why when he make me be so. God know why he make me be so. So if you coach me, and I don't get their time. But I know who I be. And the people around me, they know who I be. So you not able to know who I be. So I want to tell you now, fellow comrades, say, this guy, you don't take upon himself to destroy the revolution. You don't take upon himself to destroy the revolution. I will not give you the chance. We will give you that chance where it will help the internet government. But now you don't take upon himself for tarnishing the reputation of the government. And not only tarnishing the reputation of the government, tarnish the reputation of the 8 million Ambazonians. Because if you stand, you coach your fellow comrade. Your fellow comrade, where either the man picking like you. You say it be payday. For social media. You say it be payday. Then you expect waiting. That means your show before that one. You coach a woman. Because the highest crime for this world of abuse ladies. Yes, for coach woman. Like woman do waiting. No, you no get right for coach woman. So they go reach a private. You say it be prostitute. Then the coach man picking and say it be payday. Now you are showing that. Now you are showing now platform that National Telegraph where you say the whole world will watch you. The whole world will watch you with the best activists, the best journalists, the best student in journalism, the best student in this. That means they don't be teach you moral ethics. Or for all the course the way you do them. You know, do not one course of boya where they call it, the way teach you moral ethics. When I ask every say, every be best student for all this domain where you call them. That means say, if you fail that course, moral ethics, Una ask say if he fail the course, because if he fail that course, moral ethics for Boya. Now why the way he come to a platform, as gentleman as you be, you can't coach people, immoral coach for platform where Facebook, and you say you start National Telegraph right for Ground Zero, and you get views, people that you watch you. You are picking for hearts. How you feel, daddy when the coach must say Mami Pima, daddy when the coach person, when he pass a woman, the coach say Mami, he say he be prostitute. How you feel when you are picking the listing, all those word them for your mouth? Fellow ambassadors, who reason with this guy? I be want to say, if you don't go mad, if you don't go crazy, me the holy, the car go to center. Because I don't think say it talk for the right senses. I don't think say it talk for the right senses. Because if me and you differ, you differ with Prince Jeka, you can't call Prince Jeka say me see it them. You call Prince Jeka say me see it them. Away, now this same guy don't start for you behind ever since Prince Jeka do you, ever since Prince Jeka do you. You can't stand on the caution away. Prince Jeka will live show, he never ever caught you, even 1 inch. He never ever caught you. You can't stand the coachy. Because you will get difference of opinion. You will get difference of opinion. You can't stand the address person where if they are brother. Person will be take cool like a brother. I don't think say this guy he be normal. I don't think say Eric Tato he be normal because the way where he don't take upon himself. You be the highest handsome ambassador we know of life. Good and fine. Good and fine. That handsome ambassador, you're marrying a one woman. You won't get houses. If you get a baby, you don't get house of the whole ambassador. You'll get picking them. You're getting a confined area. You know, on the whole ambassador. You're getting a confined area. So stop for abuse people. Stop for curse people. Because if you get sense, marriage get sense. Now wisdom. You need curse people. Marriage get sense. Your papa will bonu. If you see that like, oh yeah, mommy, axi, he will tell you say, you don't get right for kosher elders. You don't get right for kosher elders. If you assume them, yes, because they say respect is reciprocal. If you coach your sumo, for you to go get your own jersey, he will back across you. So, fellow comrades, we look this guy, we start examining, we start following, we say what to be wrong with the Eritato. What to be wrong with Eritato. It gets sense enough. Now moral ethics be fair for you be. Now what did happen with Eritato? Because it don't go astray of the revolution now. It follow an individuals now. It follow an individual they have for the caution. You be the coach Ayabacho. You say be the coach Ayabacho. Yeah, be the coach Ayabacho because Ayabacho almost the same like you. They be hate you because you the coach married the same like you now. Because Ayabacho be take upon himself say. You won. Now you work on ambassador. Now whether you be coach Ayabacho or man be support. But now too much people don't meet up. You and Ayabacho. Yes, you Ayabacho because Ayabacho never stop wait till you do am. You never stop Ayabacho wait till Ayabacho you do am. So now two, now correct. Joy will tap on rival. See tap on rival on show them. Don't see we on show. Just see them. They will not with the arrangement call the way. When they call me people they say this is. With the arrangement call them because just see. I would say, Yamami Pima, you can say prostitute, did this. Just see your friends them. You can put Daniel. Just see your friend because they say, show me your friends and I will tell you the type of person you are. Just see your kabai, your people them. No man if you advise, no man. No man if you advise, no man. No man if you advise, no man. Open Mami, the way they don't send audio de Ground Zero, second kind audio de Eric, advise you. You take our point and say, it be the rock. It be this, it be smoke. So my right comment under this is say it be smoke. Now whatever wind don't blow you. You don't know your direction again. Because it be smoke, wind carry am. So my right comment say wind don't blow, you don't know your direction. So my boy, my fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, we get to stand focus. We know say the revolution they on track. We respect the interim government. We follow our county by county. The only way forward that. They will we'll start the initiative where we follow the initiative where Prince Jeka it bring her forward for the people of Ambazina. Now only that one so it will lead we to play where we go because the boy they will down they be at alert, they be ready at any time. We give them, they deliver them. I said we give them, they deliver them. Anytime, they at alert, anytime. Now we now, it depends on we. Anytime we give them, they deliver the goods. So thank you very much. While we will prepare another next show, maybe tomorrow or the other tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching.